Hi everyone, I'm Sam, and today I'm going to show you how you can create your own to-do list that is custom to you just inside Claude. Now, you know how there's like hundreds of to-do apps? Well, it kind of makes sense. Everyone's brain kind of operates a little bit differently. And before we had to rely on engineers' brains operating our like ours, but now with Claude and essentially with AI, tooling, you can literally create your own to-do list that is exactly custom to you. So I'm going to show you how. So first off, sign up for Claude and sign up for a premium account. And then you're going to come to this tab called Cowork. And what we're going to do at Cowork is create a new task. I'm using Whisper Flow for my diction because I don't like typing or I say things faster with words. So I'm going to say, I want to create a custom to-do list that helps me manage my tasks. And essentially where this to-do list is going to live is in this place called live artifacts. I want it to be a live artifact. So I'm going to send this off. And then essentially it's like a back and forth until I get it exactly how I want it. So this will give me helpful prompts like what things I want my to-do list to have. So I want to say I want it to have subtasks, priority level. Actually, I'm not a big fan of priority levels. I also want it to have like a categories. I'm going to go next. How should completed tasks be handled? I want to hide them. And now this is going to build my to-do list. And this is just like a starting. I was pretty vague, but I can see what it's built so far in a second, and then I can go back and forth and customize it, not just today, but any other day as I do the task and I realize I want a new feature. I can just ask it to make the changes in plain language and it will do it. It's creating my artifact, and as a reminder, live artifacts are interactive pages that stay up using data from connectors, and connectors are essentially other apps that Claude Cowork can interact with. Like think of Gmail. Like if you want to be able to send emails from here automatically to your Gmail, then you could do that. Anyhow, we're not really using artifacts as like for their connector features right now. We're just using it for like this live app here that's easily available at a glance. It says that all our data will be stored locally in the browser. That just means like I can't access this elsewhere. It's only available here, but it's my own app. So like I don't really care about making it accessible to other people. So I'm going to say create. So this is the first draft of it. If I go to live artifacts, I have a bunch of like artifacts, but basically I'll see it here. And when I add a new task, like, I can come and access it here. It's also pinned here. So this is my own to-do list to manage my task. So for instance, like this task of recording this video, I'm going to capture. So finish recording tutorial of how to use Claude Cowork artifacts to create your own custom to-do list. Okay, I'm going to add that. And then let's say I have to edit the video and then I have to create the thumbnail, and I will have to also publish. I'll fill out the metadata, publish video. Okay, so I can add my own subtasks here. I guess if I click this button, but it seems to not work. So, when it doesn't work, I just press that chat button. Hey, it doesn't work when I press subtasks. Also, could you generate the first subtask for me automatically? Create the next action essentially that takes like 2 minutes to do for this parent task. And then if I mark that as complete, then generate the next 2-minute task. So I'm asking it to do this. The idea is really from David Allen's Getting Things Done, which is if you define a task that takes 2 minutes, you should do it immediately. So to follow up my instructions, it's going to it auto-generates the first 2-minute action when a task is added and change the next one whenever a subtask is checked off. So I'm going to say, perfect. When you add a task, it automatically generates. Okay, I'm going to re-add this same task here and see what happens. So over here, this add subtask button works now. It wasn't working before. Okay, I thought it would generate the first subtask, but it didn't. Like fix the bug. Generating next 2-minute action item. It's not displaying the next 2-minute action item. After it generates it, it doesn't actually render it. So let's see what's going on here. Good thing this error happens because I also want to show you how easy it is to like resolve these things. When there's an issue, you just describe it with words and this will go and fix it, which is so cool. You don't have to like have any knowledge of coding and you're empowered to like use code now to like bring anything from your imagination to reality and use it today right now. That is so cool. Okay, it seems to have fixed the issue. So I'm gonna edit the video. Gonna re-add this task and wait for the 2-minute auto-generated action. Open the video in your editing software. So let's say that I edit on Riverside. I would go to Riverside. Okay, I'm done that. So I would check this off and then it generates my next 2-minute action. Trim the opening shot. I think you get the gist of it. Like I could literally spend all my time customizing this to be perfect. And I actually do have my own over here where I have this option to hand things off to AI. It auto categorizes things for me. It picks a task. It has a vent section where I can just vent a bunch of stuff that I need to do and it then infers tasks I could do as a result and things that AI could also hand over. So it's like really, like I said, this like totally unlocks your productivity. So that's my normal. And then this is the example one I showed for this video. And you know, if I close this and I open it, it will still be there. And if it isn't, if you have any problems, literally open this chat and be like, this is the problem, fix it for me, and it will fix it for you. So yeah, this is it for this video. I spent the morning creating my own custom to-do list, and I found it so helpful to like actually tackling my tasks. And I was so excited. I was like, I need to share this cool feature that a lot of people probably haven't tried out. So use Claude Cowork to create an artifact of your own custom to-do list that's specifically tailored for you. And I'd love to see it. Tell me about it. What special features did you add? Yeah, I'd be excited to hear it. Okay, that is all from me. Subscribe to this channel if you want to learn about more AI products and features that can boost your productivity and help you succeed. Bye for now.